So.
You see the cross on the top of the hill?
Yeah.
This is the hill.
That's the hill?
This is the hill, yeah. Okay.
Even it's raining, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be patay. they are all shouting. Ah! Alright, let's go. Even it's raining, lots of people. Like, ah! Polar Expresses. Cholera. Yeah. Ulan dito ngayon, kahit ulan, maraming tao. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at, it's so high. Oh my gosh, and it's raining. This is, oh, mura kong matay, ani, oh. Uy, Diyos ko Lord, wala akong kalag, ani.
Santi morgue.
Santi morgue. Let's go. Let's go. And it's raining. Even it's raining, lots of people.
Yeah, Saturday, even raining, no problem. Fresh air, ładnie.
Fresh air. Oh my gosh, it's fast. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Oh my gosh. Alaka, Diyos ko Lord. Alaka. Oh, Diyos ko.
Me, no, I don't like it.
You don't like?
Yeah.
Look at, oh my gosh. And they are so silent. Oh my gosh, I don't want to ride like that. Daghan ani ay. Marong mamatay sa ilang rides dere. I think I'm dead in the rides. It's so fast. Oh, nakakita ko payong akong isquat. Isa pa giatay man akong kuan oy.
Sufyan ka problem?
Kanyo.
No,
Can you hold? Can you hold, please?
No.
So Ken ka going up. Let's go there, shortcut to tayo. Shortcut me dire. Wait, okay magyapon maligo ko. Kaya dili man ka siya tugnaw.
No?
It's okay that I'm going to swim because it's not so cold. Hala, look at the mountain, oh, it's nice. Uy, why naligo? Ako rin maligo ani ron. Oh my gosh, I'm the one. Oh, let's go. I'm excited to take a bath. To swim. Look at the mountain. So no, next time we're going there. Oh, we're going to climb the mountain next time. There's no rain. No more rain, Kanya?
Huh?
No more rain. Dito yung airshow dati pero hindi kami nakapunta kasi madaming tao tsaka nasira yung train. I explained that's why we did not visit this last time in the airshow because they suspend the train. Dari may maligo. Kabatuan. Are you happy?
No.
Siya mo niya.
No.
Di kagamo. Are you happy niya?
No.
Kurva. Siya mo niya.
Nie pamiętam.
Suko siya kaya akong ipadaan na, oh, nabuslot.
Żona,
Jura!
żona Bastos.
Susaba, uy, samok ka na niya.
Żona Bastos mi last night very
Saba ba?
Nie pamiętam.
Samok!